this group, so it's fascinating to hear her.
Our window into
Turn left onto Highway 99.
has been very small, and this trial will blow that open in a lot of ways.
So how did she end up on the stand against Keith? What happened?
Well, so here's her story. Sylvie is from the UK. She's
Come on, man.
show jumper.
It's
When she's
good.
18
You
years
can
old, she
go.
meets Peter Bronfman, who was part of this at the time and also a
Well, he's
competitive
thinking
show
it's
jumper.
no
She
entry.
started
No,
in
you can
Europe.
enter.
Claire invites her to
It's
come
a
to the US
safe.
to train with her.
He was
And
taking
then,
too
oh,
long.
jeez.
agrees.
Oh my god! Oh!
She
Oh!
where
Oh my fucking god!
Christ!
Oh!
becomes part of
Oh my god!
That trucker knew what he was doing.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
I didn't want to witness
So how
that.
did she go?
No, me neither.
Oh!
Silly cow, pull over.
Oh my
Now
god!
smell his rubber and his brakes.
Oh!
Yeah.
2015. She's approached
Are
by
you
another
alright?
woman.
I'm okay, I'm okay, everyone's okay. Holy shit!
On joining
Well,
this
that's
group,
it
which
now.
she's
We've been
Oh.
warned. Slow down. The nutters on the friggin' road.
Holy Jesus!
Get a drink of water, Rodney.
No.
You were just telling the other guy to hurry up.
Very
So,
similar
yeah.
to the pitch that Sarah
Get
was
some
given.
water.
Yeah, give me.
And she
It's
said
right
in
there.
order for you to join, you have to hand over collateral.
Smell the
collateral
rubber.
ends up being a letter that she writes to her parents, falsely confessing that she's a prostitute. The letter
That
includes
was
a naked picture
that
of
was an
herself.
angel
cut-
there that
And
whooshed
she
that
becomes
car
part
out.
of this world.
If it
She
had
has to go
clipped
on
it
her
one
master
side,
Could've waited.
the car would have gone
readiness drills
hit
where she has
us,
to
up
respond
and
to
around and
these
hit us.
messages,
Why didn't
That man in that
1
truck
minute.
Oh.
was
Now
amazing the way he.
And this is
He
before
must have
Sarah
just
becomes
break
part
a
of DOS.
fraction,
This is
that's
2
all,
years
so he wouldn't
before
shift his
Sarah
back.
became part
Why
of DOS,
couldn't
which
he
means
wait?
that
Oh my
we
god.
discovered that DOS had been around for a while before it all fell apart.
And it's interesting to remember
Alright,
that
okay,
Keith
I'm
is
good.
not
Okay,
openly
I just moved
involved
the
in
window a
DOS.
bit.
Oh.
Okay,
That
take
it's
the
a
energy.
woman
Watch
who
their
is
highway.
asking Sylvie
wanna
to
drive
join
now?
her women's only group.
Do you want me to
And
drive,
that was
but-
the story of DOS until now. That it had nothing to do with Keith.
Yeah, well, interestingly, Keith's defense lawyer, in his opening statements, admits that Keith actually was at the head of DOS, so that he is now claiming that Keith actually created DOS.
I don't know how they missed
Why
it.
he created it is different.
I don't know
than
how
it
they
was
got away
created
with it.
to help women
they
in
did.
their personal growth.
They
So
did.
they're no
And there was
longer
an
making
angel
the claim.
watching everybody, that's
It's not part
why.
of it. You know,
Why did he
interestingly,
go?
when
He
the
didn't have
story
enough
about
time.
DOS
It's alright,
broke,
it's alright.
First guy made it.
Posted.
But
No, but I had a vision that it was
Current
going to get
road
hit
for
too.
more
Oh, that was so close.
Close doesn't come true, and it was like a
This-
fraction of an
It was
inch.
less than a
doesn't
foot.
belong to the group. That story is obviously
It was
And it was
3
a
inches maybe.
Main
Yeah.
Not even.
point that Keith was not involved
Yeah.
in
We're gonna look at it tonight, okay?
Change
12,
in their messaging.
12, 16.
12,
So,
16.
15,
just
12,
going back to
215.
Sylvia's experience,
Keep the speed
very
limit
soon after
Yeah,
joining,
alright.
Yeah,
Monica
please,
tells
but
her
you've been
you
going
need to
really
see
fast
Keith,
and passing a lot of
she
people too much.
Sort of
Okay.
tries to stall for a bit. Monica prods her. She sends a message to Keith saying, "You look really hot in your glasses."
Fuck.
And Keith responds,
I thought he was gonna hit him.
and